Ebusian for me mama kwaba ediba exposed to so munya be mali mo elikem kwame amaga and na no pay me say etwetwa obiom na de eba eda apono so amede bra na kire say MTTD for de bia ebeti omo nsema ankoye say oh MTTD for de omo hia wa emo gibribe omo che okro omo fa nko station na nanse no offer taxi trotro ana wankasa okita oka na oye stuck in traffic ubo say ka bi fie kire na government ana government official siren no na boss siren na basa one thing be you say oh government official anya government official even a presidential staff abina o twema na minister bi na atwem sese no entisa enkofobia yom goro boys amwo presidential camp on and omo the stickers etunton man kofobi mu say they omo do traffic man they will just play that siren into anyone say nipa na to V8 and na Land Cruiser bi na anyone say what talk ano ana Pajero bi na this sticker no and I say or the sticker na bone ni na or banning your boss sirens and to also know what is our siren then you give face and I empty telephone say no now they will take heart taking it on say investigation say onipa bia ya obebo sa siren no especially on the vantage places and opatututu nkofo ekọ adwuma ene enwumre nkofo ekọ adwuma anomu free adwuma ba bebia ye gina eya traffic taxi pa no they will do that random check on those places when na we there omu chike bia V8 semimpo ana wompo na otike mu na hu ya wadwi na ba ya say government official car na we di omu bia car na enye onbia na etwika no na broni we twa de otumu say Lebanese ni and what presidential staff sticker dia ball and what the siren asabo nenim and ebisa the question say adie onyawan unprovided document actually say na kwa of us who are when this sticker man or the born car nenim watch say etode bia onyawo say etode otumi yi na no otumu say we do no otumu say emre edino etika na akra ni kita no MTTD for ajikan e fin sem say onko provide wo nipa na or this sticker na ye den edima no emra otumu say sa we ye provide a onipa ode ma akwa e na so be ye hyepa ebusuafo mo man kwhwe video na ye den emra
we use it when it's needed. Ambulance was there, it wasn't moving. I had to say I was stopping with like the other people, but because no one was moving, I put on my siren, I blocked the road for him to pass, and I went after him.
Okay, let me say something.
Just to help the ambulance to move.
Let me.
You can something. Even if you want, you can follow to West Africa, and we can check it.
I'm down. Now, there are some
major things.
Some institutions that are allowed to use the siren, like the police, the military, the prisons,
the banks,
fire service, and all that.
Yes,
bank.
I know.
Yes. Now, in which capacity are you using the siren? I want to know. In which capacity?
What do you mean by which capacity?
Do you fall between any of the categories I've given now?
No, I don't fall.
So how come you're using siren? You own this vehicle. So who fixed the siren on the vehicle?
It's the guys we called.
The sticker you see on this vehicle is Office of the President. It has no roadworthy sticker, neither an insurance sticker. And that is one of the main reasons why the car would be impounded and probably the driver of the vehicle arrested and detained until he produces whoever issued him with the sticker. Aside that, he's being charged with other offenses.
So why we need to ya Ghana de bia ye kase yet nsem so a ebia wonye den wonti ase. This is similar to Aisha one asema ye kan. Foreigner free baby we eye Ghana ni mpo a ye betuma kase wo ebia ni busuani bi eye minister ni busuani bi eye adwuma of presidential Jubilee House iti na ebia okita sa sticker yi bi iti ebia na yakase o nkofo na faculty ase na de sticker ya ma opi ofri ni krom iti Ghana ni bempan go free Ghana ni bempa o free Ghana obakotena USA obetina UK obetina China na omo presidential sticker or tibenya kukudro akote sa sticker without good permission enche so ye adwuma wa ban mu no the sa sticker yi abone ka ho ade we kranka Ghana ni na koye obi man so a ye be deport no at all cost de bia me kan say ye man panyimfo yi omo nim say aman fufuro nkofo hu ye say sebio ye baller. It's a young one said Donald Trump because Africa there a shit hole and a shit hole a bit is a Ghana. Sa kwa we share video ya kwa we ne nimu tan sebe o ni kuro mu a anko tua baller no sa kwa yi bemei ekita bendesha siren and wo twa nkofo aso and as we do traffic mu a wonim say oh Ghana for there dey yan say wo benye ska wo betuma ye dia wo pe no wa first take no and what they are boning and what they now. It's then a bema way or a friend in the people who say, oh Ghana, oh, they are not serious. If you come, I will do this for you. Because I call you only my idea, oh yeah, and you will penny be pa, and you will be your bed jubilee house, and I deal with my boy. Because ought to be funny pet, and then they are pet. I can get to a member Lebanese nibi, I could pack a car will be storing him, and now we are. Months ago, Paki can we buy and say on can and I see now the tongue. Now go to me not cry and ya to me, so on what Chessica, Sakwania obey to channel. And you say social media and a koya. I a chiapa we are ye ni baby wakudu. Now obibe back ya memu, do I pay ye dia ope? No, I will go free. It's there be a catching paying for say they are failing Ghanaians, they don't understand. Sometimes we make some proclamations say, oh, it is our leaders, it is the pastors who are part of the downfall. I'm asking you a question. This sticker, is it the pastor who gave it to this man to act this stupid way? This thing, is it the youth who gave this sticker to this white man to do this to Ghanaians? We always complain and we always say some people are taking Ghana for granted. And some people comes into this country, the moment they know that they are from a foreign country, then yes, they are superior than the people who are from this country. Where are we going to? And where are we heading to? Is this how we have to govern our country? That a foreigner will get the audacity? He can only work and try to maltreat the workers. That the workers will come out and report it to authorities. And the authorities will come up and say, no, you cannot come into this country and control the people however you like. Then they will put much principles or procedures or direction for him on how to treat his members. But that is not how it's going on in this country. That is not what is going on. A foreigner will come from another country and enter into this country and decide to do what he or she wants. How did this guy get this foreign sticker? That is the first question. And look at how he has done his car. Look at how he's owning this car. As if it is a presidential staffer. The car that, how the light is showing. Few weeks ago, I was coming from on the road of Nkoko coming. And I met some people who were riding this same V8 vehicle. And they were running towards Accra. And come and see, they are just two people. I think they were wearing army clothes and their normal attire, the t-shirt, and they are just riding anyhow. And I asked myself, where is these people really going? They are not going anywhere, but they have the audacity to do whatever they want. Sana kofoye ewo man we. Na me ba na obehu se kwa brane tikamu no nim se car na wotimu no. Enye bebia na okọ ba no de on traffic. No the siren na boom. It broni bi so atena se abetena Ghana. Somebody has come from his country. Na Lebanese ni India for anka 7. Omo ye ka broni omo so mo ka broni ho. They will come into this country and behave anyhow they want. Because they have known that these people they are just nobody in the country. Their leaders does not even think about them. So they can do what they want. So somebody will come from a foreign country that will is less regarded and come here and behave anyhow. And when he was being asked questions, he was being interrogated on how he got those documents that prove that he has put a sticker on his V8. He couldn't provide it. Where are we heading to as a country? If a foreigner will just come into this country and behave anyhow he or she wants. Obibe fini kroma ba be ye dia wo pe eno na ye ni jiwana. Eno ene be boa me ne wana. Eno na be boa me ne wana. And he was comfortably sitting in his car and trying to give a foolish excuse to. Ebusianfo me amede dwumadie ebro na mede ndili mo Elikem Kwame Amega. Aha eye Ghana nsem in short because ya na nipa ani abre. Akwabra ni we. Obeye sen e na obenya sticker we di born kan ni. Cars we ebu na sesa o unam highway. Na we enipa no ko bebia. There's no emergency just to intimidate people others. And on so ahwe enye Ghana ni bi na meka se ne busu ni bi na de kana ma na ode ye de ope obi oye foreigner who will do this in any of these developed countries in Europe and America. Who Ghanaian will ever do this? After 2 days, I can say we have a baby, and I will face the law because Rebecca will not tell starting why illegal thing. But Benson will not say akwanwe. But take time and yes, will drive you be and only got president to appointment. No, he wasn't having any appointment with anyone that they say you should ride that car to that place. No. Ebusianfo na make catch us say ni mekwa so ya say any obi say need to say emfo obi ama ne bebo chance ne so enye den wherever you are, if you are in abroad, UK, US, any country that you are outside Ghana and you want to build a house and you are building and you want to give it a befitting, a good roofing, need roofing say call them, their number are rolling under the screen. Call them and do have business to do with them. What do you want to advertise your product? What do you want to advertise here? Xposed GSA, bring it. Call our contact and we will talk with you and have a nice business with you and advertise whatever you want to advertise outside. Thank you. Ebusianfo, bye bye.
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda